In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the best side hustles that you can use to start making money online and from home with. Now, like always, I'll drop links to everything below for you. I'll share with you resources. Nearly all of the resources are free as well. But why I really like some of these methods we're going to be looking at today is these can all be done from home. You don't need any experience with these to get started, and it's all, well, probably nearly all of them, they're available worldwide. I can't think of any reason why they wouldn't be. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to drop a link below to this article here for you because I've created this article. There's lots in here and I'm not going to have time in this video to go through them all because you'd be here for a while. But you can see in here I've listed lots in here for you and there's lots more resources in there. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. There's lots of examples in here, walking you through the process. I've got videos and lots more. But first of all, let's go ahead and start with side hustle number one. Now for this, let me go ahead and show you this. Now this, what we're going to be looking at here, is a method which is known as drop shipping, and it's a really simple process. So this here is my son's drop shipping website. Now basically the whole concept of drop shipping is really simple. You buy a product for a low amount of money and you sell it for higher than what you paid for it, and then basically you're acting as a middleman or middlewoman. And when somebody lands on this website and orders something, they pay us, and then we send that order to the dropshipper. They send that product to the buyer, and we pocket the difference. Straightforward and simple. And you can see on here, this is his website. This is actually live. You can see it looks pretty good. Now, the resource that I have for this website here for you is this one over, this one over here. It's called Ali Dropship. Now this platform here, they will go ahead and build out a full website like this for you. It's absolutely awesome. From memory, I think this costs about $80, which in the UK is about £68, I believe. But why I like this website over here is, look, they will create a store for you. And look, it's a turnkey business ready to bring in profit. No work is required from you, and it's a done-for-you store. Now, how this works is, normally what happens is, let me give you an example. So we'll go to AliExpress. Now this here, it's a huge company and they're based in China, but they also have warehouses around the world. They have in the UK, the Netherlands, and many more. Now you can go ahead and find products on here which are incredibly cheap. And then what happens is, not only can you get them for cheap, you can mark them up and make a lot more money, than what it's actually selling for. And you see this on, I'm sure you see this on Facebook, where you're scrolling through Facebook and you see an ad and someone's sending you over to a website to purchase something. This also works with eBay. It works with websites like this and lots more. But it's pretty cool because you don't have to hold any of the stock yourself. You don't have to deal with, dealing with the customers, shipping it, going to the post office and posting it all. You simply collect the money, send the money over to the seller, and they'll take care of everything else. And you basically, as I mentioned, pocket the difference. So it's a pretty cool method. So traditionally how this would work is you'd come over to this website here called AliExpress, you'd find products that you want to go ahead and list, and then basically you can, like I say, you can sell them on websites like this, you can sell them on eBay, you can sell them on Amazon, Etsy, and many more. But it's a pretty straightforward concept, and again, this is all mentioned in a lot more detail over in the blog article here. But if you're interested in drop shipping, it's a great method to make money online and from home. And the reason why I purchased from this website here is, not only can you get a store built for you, you can have this in in any category, in any niche. And if I scroll further on here, they also offer a free dropshipping book for you. So you can see on here, there's 25 niche ideas. So literally just put in your email and they'll send you this. They've got a calculator on here, so how much you can earn with potential stores. But the other cool thing why I like this is they give you lots of resources, and they also include, if you go to here where it says success stories, you can actually go ahead and read from other people who have started out over on this website here. There's lots on here. It's pretty cool, and they give you lots of resources and you get a team and lots more. But if we come on here, look, you've got custom stores, there's so much in here. What I wanted to share with you was, let me see if I can find it really quickly. Custom stores. If we go in here, look, the easiest way to start a dropshipping business. See our packages. Let's come down here, look. This is $2.99. Oh, this is the custom one. So, if you don't want one that they've already created, then you can go ahead and get your own, funnily enough, custom store built for you. But I just want to go to, let me see if I can find this. Hope I can find it for you. Get an exact copy of a successful start. I think this is the one. Let me go in here, let's scroll down. How it works, choose a store you like, get an exact copy, upload the store to your server, and follow our tips and start making money. So look, here we go, you can scroll down. Now these are all existing dropshipping well, as you can see here, these are all existing dropshipping websites whereby you can simply go ahead and get access to this. So like this one here, gaming store with $22,000 in monthly revenue. As you can see over here, let me go to the home page. This is the one. So it's literally straightforward. So we get a template and then you just edit the template, and they give you all of the resources, you know, to edit this and what you need to do, what you don't need to do. And you can see, look, customer feedback on here. They're over on Trustpilot, and there's like frequently asked questions on here as well. So overall, that is side hustle number one. It is called drop shipping. Very straightforward process. The next side hustle I want to talk to you about is this one over here. Now I'm over on Etsy. Now the side hustle we're looking at here today are these here. See this here, look, printable templates. See this over here, a weekly meal planner, £2.50. Let me just go into this one as an example for you. So look here, what's happened is someone has come over to Etsy, they've created this online printable here, they're selling it, granted they're not selling it for a lot of money, they're selling it for £2.50, but here's the cool thing. Once they've created this, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, they've created this printable, they've uploaded it to Etsy, and if I was to go ahead and buy this now, as a customer, I would get instant access to this, and I'd be able to download this printable, and then the person who's created this printable, they will get paid for this, minus the Etsy fee from this, and they don't have to do any more work. So essentially, this is a passive income. They do the work once, i.e. create a printable, they put it online, and then literally people go ahead, they purchase this, and that's their work done. They don't have to deal with customer returns or anything like that, because as you can see on here, let me show you go down here, look. No physical item will be sent to you. So literally somebody, look, the cost to deliver is free, returns and exchanges are not accepted, but contact me if you have a problem with your order. And look, people, I mean, this is what, a couple of days ago, people are it's not, it's a year ago, sorry, I'm lying, it's 2020, not 2021, but here's one from a couple of days ago, look, 5-star. And how easy is this to do? So let's go ahead and have a look at some of the other items that this person is selling, so I'm sure they'll have lots of these printables. Come down here, look, a kitchen printable, £2. This one over here, £4, etc. etc. There's lots of these examples on here. You can do printables in any category, in any niche. You can do this for baby showers, wedding games, you know, weekly planners, and lots more. So if you wanted to go down this route, a free resource for you is this website over here. It's called canva.com. And guess what? They make it even easier for you. They have templates on here that you can use. So in this example over here, whereby we were looking at what's that, a weekly meal planner, well, let's just come over here and we'll just click on where we're going to go. Let's go ahead and have a look. So we've got presentations, social media, in fact, I'm just going to search. I'm going to search weekly food planner, and it will bring me up templates for this. Now look at all of these. Now, take note, this is the one part that you need to keep an eye out for. See over here where it says paid, obviously you'll have to pay money for this, but you don't need to, because you see where it says free? All of these free ones, these are just templates. So you can go ahead and take any of these templates and edit them and amend them. So if I liked this one, for example, I'd click on here and it opens up. Now inside of here, this would be my printable that once I'm happy with this, I go ahead and upload this to Etsy. Now it's a template, so you can edit any part of this. You can change it. Let me just make it a bit bigger so you can see this, like so. So for example, over here, if I didn't like these little dots over here or the colour, I can change the colour with this. If I wanted it black, I could change it to black. If I wanted it bigger, smaller, if I wanted to delete it, I could do. If I wanted to change the font up here, again, I can change this, like so. If I wanted it to this script here, I click on here, and that's the script. If I want to make it smaller, I can do so. If I want to make it bigger, etc. So let me just do that, put that back up there. But basically, this website here is absolutely free to go ahead and sign up to. You just literally put in, you can even connect via your social media accounts, and then you come in here and you play around with this as much or as little as you like. Once you're happy with this, you come up here and click on there, and you click on download. I think you'll agree, it's straightforward. Once you've downloaded this, you come back over to Etsy, like over here, you create an account for free, and then you upload your printable on here. Pretty straightforward. And look, if you want like more ideas, just go on Etsy and type in printables, and you will find loads and loads of ideas. Literally hundreds, well, thousands of different ideas. Look, this one over here, look, printable wall art. Someone has literally taken a quote and put it on here. I won't bother with that one, but you can go through it and look, daily planner. Come found on the page here, look. What is this? Birthday party package. We have got printed password keepers. I mean, look at this, £2.85. Crossbow printables. Let's see what they're selling, because again, you can just go ahead and have a look at what other people are selling and get some ideas. I mean, don't just copy them, but get some ideas and start listing these yourself. Look, Ultimate Daily Bundle, £9.60, £8, £28. There's lots on here. And I mean, look at this on here on the left hand side. All of these different ideas for you. So that's it. You literally go ahead, go through Etsy, see what people are doing, and create your own using this free piece of software over here called Canva.com. That is side hustle number 2. Again, straightforward, easy. What will it take? Time and effort, and that's it. That's genuinely it. So let me come out of this. Let me close this one. I'm just going to close some of these ones down for you. The third one we're going to look at today is, of course, it is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, well, it's basically where you recommend and share a product and you can earn an affiliate commission. And you can do this in so many different ways. An example of an affiliate website would be this one over here. So let me just share this with you. So it's called flykillerguide.com. So over on this website here, obviously it's a website about killing flies. If I scroll down here, you can see we've got fly killer reviews. If I click on here, what I've done here is, these are all articles whereby, let me just scroll and find one. So let's just go into this one here. So this content has been written. Come down here, you can see tips to getting the best electric fly swatter. Scroll down here, look, and you see here where it says get this fly swatter. Guess what? If anyone clicks on here and goes over to Amazon and purchases this product, I earn an affiliate commission. Pretty straightforward, and it's the same for any of these. And there's so many different ways that you can do affiliate marketing. You can do this on YouTube, believe it or not. You can do it on blogs and niche blogs like this. You can go over to Quora and ask questions on answer questions on Quora, and you can earn affiliate commissions that way. You can do this with Pinterest, Instagram, and many more. Let me give you another example. So if I go over here onto Instagram, this is another method for making money with affiliate marketing. Because again, affiliate marketing isn't difficult. It's a really simple concept. You decide on a category or a niche, you find a product that you want to promote. Once you've got that product, you create content around that, and then you're driving traffic to that affiliate product that you're promoting, and you can earn a commission. Now, the one that I like to share is this one over here. Look, woodworking plant ideas. If I come onto this here, look, right. So you see down here, this account over on Instagram, they've got 96,000 followers. They're uploading, as you can see here, look, an image of some woodwork with 466 likes. This one over here, 300. This isn't hard to do. You can literally go ahead and get images like this on Google. You can get it on Pixabay, Pexels, and many more. So what do? You upload images related to your category or niche, and then down here, there's a link. Now let me click on here, and now what's happening here is, look, it's sending us over to, click on here, it's going to send us over to a product which is available. You see up here where it says ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network. It's a huge network where you can find thousands of products that you want to promote. So here, if I was to go ahead and purchase this for $67, the owner of this Instagram account here, they will be earning up to 75% for this product here. So you can earn some pretty decent money for this. And you can see here, it doesn't take a lot of time and effort. And look, that's just one example for you. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'll drop a link down below. You can go ahead and check it out. It's a $7 course, and it will walk you through the whole concept. But look, that's a couple of examples of side hustles that you can use to make money from home. If you want more, go over to my blog, Not Taught at School, and you can go and have a look at this article here. It's pretty in-depth, but I've tried to include a lot more, a lot of information in here for you, and lots of this I'm doing myself in my online business. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But look, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.